everybody, welcome back. Today I got a Loot Crate when I came home, so I figure let's see what's in it. Alrighty, ooh, a Marvel t-shirt, let's see, property, oh, Xavier's School, oh good, extra large, this one might become a nightshirt. It's kind of cool. Not bad, though. Should have come months ago, though, I think. A Jughead plushie. A pennant. Ooh. Ooh! Now this I like. A Sunnydale pennant. Very nice. This can go with my Buffy Sunnydale t-shirt. We always get a pin. Oh, a vote for Pedro. And a Napoleon Dynamite notepad. And a Gremlins poster. All in all, this wasn't a bad Loot Crate. They didn't even give us a little thing to say what's in yours. Oh, we get to go online. If you haven't known already, Loot Crate did file for bankruptcy, and I'm gonna say it's because the crates are very, very late, and well, this crate was okay. But sometimes it depends what you're a fan of. I like the one topic one's better because you know you're probably gonna like what you get regardless because it's a theme that you like. However, I have gotten some things in Loot Crates that I really love and never would have known existed except for a Loot Crate. So I'm going to have a future show on some of my favorite Loot Crate things and some of my not so favorite Loot Crate things. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.